Hello everyone, this is Gina from Speak Out Nigeria for Cairo. We're here again, like I told those of you on Facebook, that we're growing wings and we're spreading our wings. And very soon we join the Revelation TV, the online TV, and you have an opportunity to listen to some of our programs, and then you can call and make live phone calls and we can answer your questions, we can get back to you, things like that. And we still need your support for those of you out there. We still need support from everywhere. No support is too small. We just need you to join forces with us so that we can fight and end this human trafficking problem. This is our problem. We need to be able to fight it with your support. Without you, we cannot be. So keep calling in, keep joining in. And so for those of you that are still afraid of airing your views or telling your stories, as for the legal aspect, we've been able to resolve that. And come on, you can just open up, tell us what you're going through, let us feel your pain, let us know what you're going through. There's no pain, there's no gain in keeping silent. Just open up and tell us your stories, and let us help you give your stories a voice. Let us help you tell your stories to the world. There's no fear in it. Do not be afraid. Just open up with us, open up to us, and then we'll be able to help you. Help us so we can help you. If you cannot open up to us, there's no way we can know your pains, there's no way we can know your troubles. For the legal aspect, I'm stressing on that, I'm emphasizing more on that. We've been able to cover those aspects, so there's nothing to be afraid of. Give us your stories and let us give you up. So we're still asking for your support from the churches, from the mosques, from the embassies, from the diplomats of the country. We're still asking your support in every way. The businessmen, the businesswomen, tailors, hairdressers, all of you, your supports are needed. We cannot do this without your support. Just keep supporting us, keep helping us so that we can give these people that don't have a voice, we can give them a voice. We can make their stories be heard. We can open up their stories so that the world can know what the pains is in coming to Egypt to work. It's not just for us Nigerians, it's for every African that's living and working in Egypt. Do not be afraid. We've got the support, we've got the backup from everywhere, from the embassies already, from the legal practitioners of Egypt. Just keep coming to us, and then we'll give you that support you need. We'll give you that comfort you need. Just come and let us help to give your stories a voice.